What's up, fellow adventurers? It's a cold one in North Texas. We weren't setting out to plan a vlog for today. In fact, it's been a little while since we've done a vlog, but not every day do you get 6 to 7 inches in northern Texas. Quite possibly the shortest vlog ever. We tried a few experiments and they did not work. And you can hear the kids crying. They don't like snow. Alright, so I think that is us for the outside adventures. We're gonna head inside with the kids and do a few things in there, play some games maybe. But what do you guys do whenever weather is freezing cold outside? I know some people live with this, we can't. In Texas, this is a little too much, but put in the comment section down below some things that you guys do when it's cold, snowy, and wet, and all that kind of good stuff out there. What do you guys do on those days to pass time and stay warm? This is round 2 after warming up, doing a few activities. Still -1 wind chill, and it's still cold out here. Hey, Princess, you doing okay? Cheese. We are going to call it a night. It's been fun today, even though we've been inside most of the day doing the little adventures here and there. If you enjoyed it, you know what to do with the whole YouTube spiel. But we're glad you have joined us. More content coming in the future. But again, if you enjoyed it, give a thumbs up, like and subscribe for more adventures. Maybe a little more warm, maybe a few more Disney adventures here in the near future. But again, thank you for being with us today. Have a great night. Remember, not everybody can travel, but everybody can go on an adventure. We'll see you next time.